Alright, let's talk some trades. It's Thursday, August 8th, 2013, and I want to do an end of the day recap. First off, did some day trading today, and here's what I want you to learn from this video. Day trades are basically set up very similar to swing trades, so you're watching for the patterns. The only thing is you got a small window to enter on these trades, and you may only hold them for 2-3 bars, 10 minutes max, and then you're out. So basically for me this morning, Apple, right around here, you can see it was bouncing and bouncing and holding, and today it bounced in the morning a little bit, bounced again, and then it broke it. Okay, and when it broke it, I stepped in and I held it basically for 2-3 bars here, and sold pretty much most of my position right around this region. Now it kind of isolated and bounced back off of this region later on throughout the day, but you can't hold these day trades for too long. When I say that, you know, I'm out there just doing some day trades or intraday trades, then it's basically for a few bars, so it's not for the long haul. Same thing here. Amazon bounced a couple times over yesterday, as you can see, this support line, and then when it broke this, I entered, and then I noticed it was coming back up. As it started to break again, I added to my position. Okay, so and then it kind of headed lower, and I got out right around this area on Amazon. So again, it isolated, bounced back a little here or there, but you know, I took the trade off, and that's where I did my screenshot. Okay, CF had a nice, you know, triangle pattern or trend line right here. You could have entered it probably right around the zone of right here if you waited towards the end of the day and kind of, you know, traded it for a little bit. I didn't watch it too much longer, but it could have been a trade setup. The only reason I didn't enter it was, why? Because of volume. There was not a lot of volume here, okay? The volume kicked in pretty much right around this region, as you can see. Then it had some more over here. You know, it had some volume, but it wasn't anything impressive, so it wasn't a confident trade for me. I didn't trade it. I saw it happening, and the move just didn't look amazing to me personally. All right, also I did a day trade on the S&P or the spiders, SPY, and here's what the S&P 500 did as well. Bounced off, went up, hit down, and bounced off of this region, and that's why I knew this region was, it's going to probably take it over. So when it broke this, I did a quick little day trade, you know, again, 5 minutes max, maybe 10. Sometimes I'll hold these day trades for a whole day. Other times it's 5-10 minutes, sometimes it's an hour. So don't think that, you know, there's any specific time to hold these trades. But the market right now is kind of a day trader's market. It's not really anything fantastic at the moment from what I'm seeing. I mean, we're extended. If you look at this, you know, since December timeline, since last year, I mean, the market has basically been running up like crazy, and that's a steep curve. I mean, you know, in market terms, that's a little high of an angle. Now, for some of you, you may think, well, it doesn't look that high. I mean, it looks kind of upward going, but I mean, imagine if I drew it like this. You know, what if the angle was like this? Would that be too high? Or what if I drew it, you know, like this? You know, in relative perspective, this angle right here is a little overextended. You can see the distance that it's had from the 200-day, and it's a pretty good sized distance here. So, you know, be cautious of the market like this, and just be careful. And if you're new, just step aside for a little bit, let the market digest, and you'll have plenty of day trading opportunities later when you learn how to do trading the right way. Tomorrow I'm actually taking the day off, so I won't be by the computer screens, but you know, evening time I may check into some charts as well. But go ahead and remember that, you know, there's more to life than just making the cash flow and the money. So, you know, go out, enjoy yourself, and tomorrow I'm over at the water parks enjoying myself over here, so should be a nice day. And you know, look for good setups, watch the charts, watch the action, watch the price, and enter at the appropriate time. If there's not anything good, then just stay out of the market. Take an easy day. All right, that's all for today. Enjoy.